Good morning. Shut up, busy, yeah? This is going to be added on from yesterday's video. So, 20 minutes. This is a continuation from yesterday's video. You remember he called us up at Get Gears? Says Gearbox is sweet, he's just going to replace the seals and do the LSD conversion modification. He was wrong this morning saying he's had a cancellation and he's got it done. How about that for service? I dropped it off yesterday morning. He's inspected it, he's cleaned it, he's replaced a few seals, he's done the modification, he's rebuilt it, and it's done. 24 hours later. I'm not gonna lie, what a boss. So now I'm gonna go pick it up. So we're on our way to Get Gear Transmissions in Willenhall, and then we'll be having the box back done and dusted in the car, get the gearbox back in, and then be able to see what it's about, eh? Then the next plan will be to do the timing belt, water pump. That should be here on Monday from Gearbox, Co-op Sport, whatever. Rich has managed to hook us up with that. We've gone for the gates belt and fitting it. Then it's just a case of the exhaust. I'm waiting for the new flange to come. I think I explained it yesterday about that cast one. Now good, mate. So I'm going for a stainless steel one, which we'll be able to modify and make work for what we need it to. We're making our way, and we'll see what it's like when we get there. We've got some good news, boys. Remember that car we was on about yesterday? Stressing me out. We're going to see it, we won't see it. Good, bad, good price, too expensive, blah blah blah. Gonna buy it months ago, didn't buy it, gonna buy it now. But I've pulled the trigger. Fresh import, not registered yet. He's on its way. I'm not driving. 6-hour round trip. Go and look at it. So I'm taking a risk. I had a bunch of pictures sent over, a couple of videos. He's told me the engine and stuff's healthy, so I'm trusting them on. I'm going to be sending the payment over whenever it's arranged. The courier to deliver it on a wagon, and hopefully we'll get it today. I just need to send la payment. Don't look at this relaxed face thinking I'm not excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking bullshit. But on the other hand, we've got some work to do. Oh yeah. So we'll be seeing a new car coming to the channel. So stick around. We're almost at the unit now as well, just so you know. Okay, welcome back. Now I've got some bits to build. I'm going to put this back on, put the pin in, get the fork. These are some bits and bobs. I've got a new clutch release bearing. I think that's a reverse sensor maybe. I don't know. But we're done. Let's give it a clean so it's a bit better than it was. Sealed everything up. I presume that these are the new seals. I don't know where the other seal will be. I think that sensor goes into the top. And some brackets went here somewhere, here maybe. I have no idea. But yeah, he was a bit busy, so we didn't really manage to swap. We didn't really manage to talk much. But hopefully will be sweet. There's a company called Get Gears in Willenor. We shall see if we get gears. I'm going to need to build this. I'm going to clean things up a little bit. But I'm just thinking, while it's like this, should I degrease it a bit more? Should I paint it? We're getting a bit overkill then, aren't we? We'll look into it. Busy here. The engine did not fall out of the car. We're all good. Tomorrow I'm going to throw the gearbox into the car, all being well, and then we'll be looking at the new car if it arrives. Just a quick paint job. I need to do it today because I want it to go off for tomorrow. So I decided to just paint it quick time. Then we'll give it 24 hours and then chuck it in. This is after I've said goodbye, so we'll go back to that other bit. Woo! How's that look? All nice new seals.
$23.57, 12 o'clock, Friday night, 2nd of October.
What else would you not want to do?
But there's a secret and we can't say anything just yet. But there's a reason and a purpose.
They know, but they don't know. They know that I've arranged something.
Do they know that we know that they know, but they don't know?
They know why we're here, but they don't know what to go on.
What's a guanin?
We built the box while we were waiting.
Yeah.
The box is painted.
D series.
LSD.
Now LSD'd. Freshly checked.
New seals.
New seals. Thrust bearing. Clutch. Fly.
Big
It's ready
tins.
to rock.
Big tins of McGuire.
750 brake.
Hey, don't fucking shoot numbers out of my channel, boy. So this is for tomorrow, if we wake up. But
Big
at the
job.
moment, we've got a surprise. We've been waiting since 9:30.
All day.
All day. But at 9:30 we got the all clear. Now it's 12 o'clock and we're still waiting. It's alright.
Shafted. Shafted.
Show the world.
Yep, what you can see is absolutely nothing because it's pitch black and it's 12 o'clock at night. They probably can't see anything, can they, with no light?
No. And it's raining now. It's literally just started to rain again.
But yeah, no one here. Last one's here.
But hopefully in the next 10 minutes.
8,000 lumens this is, boy.
I like that is.
Hopefully within the next few minutes.
Through them gates.
An hour later we check, there's no one here.
Even the Nissan's outside getting wet.
Oh, look at this, night shots. Better not get too close. Not with this, not with the torch. The Cadillac. And the sick old G-Mobile.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change the.
Yeah, we'll change it. I will change it.
I might get another one for this car. I mean,
Oh, oi, oi, beep.
see, yellow. Now they look a green,
You look green. You look really red. Your face is like bare red and your hat's white. Because it doesn't look like standard height, does it? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but the tops look, I don't know. Do you want to shut the bonnet and we'll give them the reveal? Okay, the lighting's a bit shit 'cause we've got a bulb out. But it's not going to make a difference, is it, mate? The less light on it, off it, the better. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to call it done, boys. We've got more things to do now. Anyway, it's enough from me, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy.